Hello children, today we will learn to draw shapes with different objects. So, I will take this glass. Can you see this glass? Today I am going to draw shapes using this glass. So, if I place this glass on the paper like this, and if I will draw its outline, which shape I will get? Can you guess? Yes, this is a circle, and if I'll place the same glass after inverting, let me see which shape I will get now. Yes, this is also a circle. So when I have drawn a circle from this side, I got a small circle, and when I have drawn the outline using this side, I got a big circle. Now I will change this sheet and I will take this box. Now if I'll place this box and I'll draw its outline, can you tell me what shape we will get? Let's check. Let's draw first. We will get a square. This is a square. Now I will take this duster and I will draw the outline of this duster. Can you guess what shape we will get? Yes, we got a rectangle. So today we will learn to draw shapes using different objects. Children, you will open page number 81 of your book and you will write today's date 30.7.20. You will underline this. Draw shapes with objects. Now let's read. Place one of your books on a sheet of paper and draw along its side. What shape do you get? If we will place our book on a sheet of paper just like as we have done with glass and a box, duster, etc. Same way, if we will keep our book and we will draw its outline, which shape we will get? Can you tell me? Yes, it is rectangle. So we will write here RECTANGLE, rectangle. Now let's do this question. Match the shapes that have been made by drawing along these objects. I will tell you just two of these, remaining you will do it on your own. Now let's see this glass. You have to draw with this smaller side of the glass, this side. So when you will draw from this side, you will get a small circle or you will get a big circle. Yes, we will get a small circle. So we will match this with small circle. Same way, now here they have given us a bottle and the round part of the bottle is very big. So this we will match with the big circle. When we will draw its outline, we will get a circle and it will be a big circle. Now these three you will match on your own. Now let's do this challenge part. Match according to the clues. First we have to read these clues and then we have to match with the given shapes. Okay. The circle is next to the square. In this situation they are giving that the circle is next to the square. So we will look at the first shape. First, here, is this circle next to the square? No, next is rectangle. So here the circle is next to rectangle. So this is not correct. Here, is this circle next to square? No, it is inside the square. Here, is this circle next to square? Yes. So we will match it with this. So we will use the scale to match. Okay, now let's read the second clue. The triangle is between two rectangles. Now look at the first situation. Here, is this triangle between two rectangles? Yes, this is a triangle and both the sides we have two rectangles. So we will match the second clue with the first one over here. The triangle has a square inside it. Here they are talking about a triangle. A triangle has a square inside it. So this is a triangle and it has a square inside it. So we will match it with this. Now last one. The circle is inside the square. The circle is inside the square. Bye children.